I want to show you all something special. This is the Gemini. The manufacturer is Thor, and it's the 23TW. What makes this one so cool is that it actually has a slide on the other side. I am going to show you inside how much space this actually has. Now, I believe this is a used one just because there's like some things on the floor and stuff that lends me to believe that. But as you can see, here is the slide. It is opening up so much space for you guys. This is perfect for 1 to 2 people, a couple that want to, hire a nice RV motorhome where they can get out and camp, but still have some of the fine luxuries that you would want in an RV. The table is really nice. It's got tons of space. This also drops down, and this will turn into a bed. You can see that the design up above is just very classy, smooth. I love the colors. Lots of space in there for storage. Now, you oftentimes, if you do have a motorhome like this, you're going to either have a bed up here or storage. And it looks like this one does not have a bed, but you do have space for storage up there. And down here, you've got some really nice chairs that are comfortable, leather seats, tons of space. And this actually folds out to give you more countertop space. So say that you're having a party, buffet, that will pull out. When you also want more counter space, you can leave this big round sink cover on, and then that will allow you to have more space to cook. This is a huge deep sink, so you can fit a lot of dishes in there. And then you've got your stovetop over here, and this actually lifts up so that you have more countertop space with 2 burners. And then you've got your microwave in a very non-assuming position down there. This is for your trash can. Fits quite nicely, and they have a small one in there, so you could definitely fit a bigger one. Now, these drawers are very long, but they're also very narrow. So you're going to have to buy the individual silverware plastic containers if you want to do that. The traditional big, rectangle ones are not going to fit in these drawers, but they do sell them singly as well. Over here, you have a nice refrigerator. This is a good size for this size RV. Lots of space in there, and that will keep you on the road for a while so that you can get out there, enjoy your camping, and not be running to the grocery store. Now, this is the freezer. It's a little bit smaller, but they always are in RVs. So be cautious if you're buying a bunch of lean cuisines, like a big pizza is not going to fit in here. What I always do is buy individuals for pizzas. No more than 2 pizzas in one box, because even in my big 5th wheel, the pizzas don't fit well. So that's just part of RVing, little tip for you. Now, this is a nice queen size bed. You can see that you've got space over on this side to put like an alarm clock, drinks, whatever you want, your glasses. You've got lots of drawers over here. So if you are going out for a long weekend or for the whole summer, you've even got place to hang your clothes. You can open this on 2 sides. They've got that one latched, but you can see that that is the same on both sides. And then your TV comes mounted to your wall, which is fabulous. You do not have to order that separately. Up here, again, you've got some more cabinets that are very classy above your bed. And you actually have a really nice bathroom in here, which I know all of us would, really want to have. So you've got your shower. Now, it does have a curtain instead of like a door. So that's very standard. And it's a pretty curtain, but just so you're aware. And the toilet is up on like a little stand. So it's for a good height. You're not going to be like, falling over as you try to sit down. And they do have some really nice medicine cabinet here. That is at an angle so that you can fit a lot of things in there. So they've thought through the storage very well. You also have storage underneath there that you can put towels, extra toilet paper rolls. And then again up here, this also holds like hand towels, toilet paper rolls, or actually bath towels if they're rolled. And if you're only going to have 1 to 2 people, that's plenty of room to roll your towels up there as well. So here's a view of all of it. I'm very impressed. Thor did a great job. I love the colors. I love the design. And you know what? I wish you guys could feel this, but it is so roomy and so spacious in here that you can hang out in here on a rainy day, and you're going to have plenty of fun camping opportunities in this RV. The last thing I want to show you is that this curtain is actually on a track. So if you want some privacy in your bedroom, you can close that as well, so that the kids or guests who are out here are not going to be invading in your privacy in your bedroom. So check it out. They sell it at Camping World and lots of other RV dealers as well.